Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add free items to your shop on Ko-fi. So if any point in time guys you want to do a free giveaway and you want to add any particular products to your shop and just simply give your supporters or whoever you want to get this for free, you can go ahead and you can add free and do free giveaways to your Ko-fi shop. So in your Ko-fi shop, so what you want to do guys, just simply click your profile or the home button on the upper right hand side. That's going to take you right into where you can have access to your shop. So go ahead and click on shop, and here you'll be able to add your products. So you can click on add products and you can fill in this. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to simply go ahead and just kind of clone one of those products that I have. I'm going to clone this product, and as you can see, just basically have everything there regarding the product. So I'm going to change the name of the product. So I'm going to say not VIP guides, but I'm going to call this one free guides as the name, or free guide. And let me go ahead and just kind of put the description as free as well. I'm going to go down, I'm going to leave the image, or let's say I'm going to go ahead and upload an image. So I'm going to use, for example, the QR code for my Ko-fi here as the image. And yeah, you have this, the description, you have the product summary. So I'm going to write free guides as well, something like that. And you can go ahead and I can just easily, it shows categories, but I can assign a category and I can call this category maybe free. For example, anything that's free, I can add a category and save right here. And when you scroll down, it has the amount. So you can go ahead and you can put this to no price or empty, right? And that's going to ensure that it is free. Now, when you scroll down, you can choose if you wanted to give away to everyone or people within who have a monthly subscription or something like that. So if you want to give everyone, you leave it like this. Otherwise, click on the monthly supporters and you can choose a specific tier. If you want, you can also select multiple tiers, or whichever option you really choose. The purpose of this video, I'm going to just leave it for everyone for the purpose here. Then go ahead and click and save and publish. And now you see that the product is created and it's $0. And so when you have a look at it, you can see that the product is now free. So if I go back to my page and go to my shop, you can see that I have one product that has a cost and the other one is free. So that's how you go ahead and add a free product on your shop or a giveaway on your shop in Ko-fi. Very easy and very simple.